Hello, I'm Satish here from PragyanAI. So I'm trying to demonstrate an application. Okay, so that application, what we are trying to build. Okay, so it is. Let me just show what we are trying to build. So we are trying to build AI agentic AI EDI kernel for autonomous semiconductor design and verification. Okay. So our pitch is since we are using so many expensive, slow and expert dependent tools. So for designing front end and then verifying the PCB thing. So this we are trying to replace with an set of agentic and multi-agentic AI tools which can help the people to develop the VLSI solutions and PCBI designs faster. So our objective is to reduce the RTL design and verification stage and PCBI design and verification stage and post verification phase. The life cycle very fast, make it life cycle very fast, and then reduce the errors. Okay, so that is the main objectives. And with this, we build a autonomous multi-agent orchestrations, one for RTL. Design. So English spec to RTL code and then synthesis and verification. The another this is the design for that, and then another this is the basic code what we have built actually. So some sample screenshots of that applications, and which will generate the code. Okay, so the next one is PCBI design. So if you give the basic information, it will try to design the PCBI and also select the components, and also bill of materials will calculate, and netlist it will try to create next subsets, and then we will be able to see what are the critical issues, manufacturing issues will come, and mechanical thermal requirements will come. And if you upload a PCBI design, it will try to detect issues and overview of those issues, defects, and this is the applications, PCI applications, verification applications. If you upload the thermal issues, power issues, signal issues, layout issues, all kind of things can be done. So let us move to the demo of one such application. So let me show first application, VLSI design kind of things. So this is the multi-agentic framework. So knowledge based graph model we will be building. Spec designer, okay, spec chart, you can interact with the chart, RTL generator, verification bench, and all kind of things. This is the multi-agentic overview. So knowledge base, so you can upload any file. So let us say that like I'm trying to upload one file, and then you can process it and index it actually. So after uploading it, you can process and index that file. So this will be added to the RAG model. Then specs designer. So I will say 32-bit pipeline multiplier. So 32-bit multiplier AXI. So let us say that like I am trying to build this kind of plain English kind of a problem statement. I wanted to have a detailed RTL spec. Okay, so this is RTL design specs, so 32-bit multiplier with the X interface. So this is the interface control document things, microarchitecture. Okay, ideal operation first, all those things, register maps, performance verification plan, all those things are there. So if you wanted to critic edit, so it will do any issues are there. Okay, so and you can also give some input. Okay, you can also give what needs to be modified. Okay, so add 16-bit FIFO or something like that. Okay, then you can say finalize. Okay, after adding or modifying or something that like if you wanted to finalize this, okay, let us say that like we are finalizing it, and then you can download that design document. Okay, you can download this design document. This is how the design document looks like. The detailed design document looks specification document looks like. Then you wanted to interact with that spec actually. Okay, so you wanted to ask some kind of a questions. You can ask the questions and you can get interaction from that the spec chart. So now if you wanted to generate RTL spec, okay, so you can modify that, okay, paste, you can paste the cut and paste that RTL here, or you can upload modified one, okay. Then it will be generating Verilog code, step by step code. So if I say generate, okay, generate RTL code, it will try to generate the RTL logic and code for that, okay. So it is a multi-agentic model. It will start generating the RTL code. Okay, so it is generating the RTL code. If you wanted to see uh, any modification you wanted to change, you can change it and apply the refinement, finalize it. Actually, you can do that. Then go and RTL code what it is generated. If you wanted to download, you can download it. Okay. Then after that, like you can go to the verification bench. Okay. So you can the source code you can paste it, or like can automatically it will take the source code, then generate the verification bench. Okay, so it will start generating the verification bench. Okay, so for that specification, okay, so it will start generating the test and analysis bench for that. Okay, so this is the verification test bench what it is generated. Okay, so and then you can download that verification and download bench. Okay, so whatever it is, verification overflow, all these test cases. So this is a tool what we have developed. The other than that, okay, there is a PCBI design netlist you can upload and all those things what we have explained earlier. Okay, with this, so multiple solutions we have built, small solution, and we have to integrate it actually, because we are building small components of EDA tools, so that like we can integrate and build a one single solution. Okay, thank you.